Zetarium launched phase 2 of their airdrop. So I spent 24 hours navigating the platform, understanding the platform to know what the team are actually paying more attention to and how they're going to be rewarding users. And I discovered it's not by accumulation of numbers, rather by actively participating on their products, the main one they want you to focus on. So in this video, I will be sharing that with you. It's a secret for you. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, this is an opportunity to subscribe to this channel. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, please hit that subscription button because we want to hit 50,000 subscribers this year. And this year, we are focusing on delivering authentic information, valuable information, and valuable educational content that will help you make money and real money in the crypto space without hype, but authentic, valuable information. My name is Gibini, in case you're meeting me for the first time. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight into the real business. The website is still the same, you can see, right? So because of people that are just coming new, what you need to do is to go to profile. And then you connect your X handle, connect your wallet because you're coming new. Once you have done that, it's very important. Those are the major two things you need to do. Once you've done that, you can go and continue the social tags from any other place. Just come, connect your X handle here. You're going to see every details about you, right? And then connect your wallet. I repeat, connect your wallet. And then let's go to the tax section. You click on tax. Now, when you click on tax, you have your usual tax to perform. We have the PEP DEX that was added on this phase 2, and then you join Discord, you claim 200 points. If you join this new Twitter handle, you claim 200 points. Just connect everything they ask you to do here, but this is your daily 50 points you claim, so don't miss it out. And then you have three major tags to perform on this place. One is the PEP DEX, which is ZDEX. Another one is swap transaction and the prediction market. So first, let's start with the PEP DEX, because what I noticed here is that they are promoting more this of their. What I noticed here is that they're promoting more of this PEP DEX because they want people to get familiar with it and get used to it. So you click on it. Okay, and here is the PEP DEX. Very simple. If you have watched the Asta tutorial video that I gave, I actually gave it a trading strategy and risk management you can use to accumulate points. So the first thing you need to do is to click on Connect Wallet. And in case you've not watched the video, the link will be in the description so you will learn how to do it. All right, it's still the same strategy we are using here. You connect your wallet, and then next thing to do is to fund. So make sure that the wallet you are using, which is this MetaMask or any other one, but it should be Binance Chain, because once you come, you choose Binance Chain. Make sure you have USDT or USDC, whichever one you're going to get USDC to use and trade. However, you can see it's USDC that is here and my balance is low. So what do? You click on deposit here, and then you choose the USDT or USDC you want to put. I think I have USDT here. I choose say $100. Yeah, but I need to choose the one I have. Okay, yeah, I have USDC here. So if I choose USDT, I've put $100. So it was formerly BNB, but I've changed it to USDT. And then you click on approve deposit. You confirm. Go back home. Confirm the transaction request. Completed. Then go back home. So you wait for the balance to reflect. If you can't see it, you can just come to portfolio here. And then you can refresh. It's supposed to have arrived. Just refresh. I'll give you some time. It's going to convert to USDC anyways. So just you give it some time to arrive. Then here is the reward section. So whatever reward you earn, like from commission, from fees, from referral, you're going to see them here. So, okay, deposit completed, right? Yes. So you can see. Go back to portfolio, refresh again. Yeah, you can see it here and you can see it here. So this is your reward section where you come to see all your rewards. So let's go straight to home page again, and then you choose the amount you want to, the pair you want to trade. But this time they are not giving you pair, you are trading a particular coin, perpetual contract. All right, so it's not as if it's actually pair, but all of them automatically pay to USDT. You're using USDT to trade them, but you won't see it as a pair. So you can click on all here, you can click on reward assets, you can click on new, whichever one, but I prefer you click on all, or you choose the one you want to trade. Say you want to trade Ray, which is Radium. You see it pops up here. Now you look at the charts, depending on the analysis we've given, but you should use trading view to analyze the markets. We won't have all the time here anyways, but let me just see. I just choose this one, go to perpetual. Yes, so you look at it on 1 hour time frame. Okay, using MACD, it has crossed. Do you think it's going to go up? Yes, but it's immediately. This is daily, so bring it down to 1 minute. Let's see what's going to happen. So coming down to 1 hour right here, we're going to short just a quick flip, and then we can move to the next one, so don't have time. So here you're going to sell, you are buying, but this time you are either buying long or you are selling short. So you click here, that means you are selling short. You click your margin, 10x, 8x, 5x. So if I choose 10x, right, save, confirm. What it means is that any amount I want to use, I will actually be spending. Let me use market order because I don't want to waste time. It means that you are 10 times in that particular amount. Let's say I want to use $10, right? It means that I am doing 10x of it. So 10 multiplied by 10, that is the total amount of it here. So it's going to give me quantity of this coin, which is 15.2. And then you can see here, if I still want to go further to go by percentage, is here, but I just choose 10. Let me type it again. It's still the same trading pattern, and then I'm shorting the market. Okay, let me just use the market order, no worry. I'll click on sell. This should be greater or less than 10. Oh, should be less or greater. Okay, let me just do 11. Short, confirm, order field. Now you can see the history here. So currently minus 16. You can see the average price, the market price, liquidation price is 6.289 price, and unrealized profit, you can see I'm currently at loss. So I just want to be fast about this so that we'll move to other ones. So this is how you can always trade. So you can also choose to close it from here, or you can choose to close it by clicking on buy opposite of it. But I will always advise you can use here to close. So right now we're just at 0.45%. So let's leave it and then move to the next phase, which is the swap, right? The next one here is go to swap. So we click on it. Let me explain that the only way I can end point here is by the volume. So let me give you a practical step instead. Right here, you can see that I use $10 to enter this trade, right? And I use 10x. And I use 10x, is 10 multiplied by 10, which is 100. So whatever volume I'm trading, they are giving me 5% of it. Let's check it. 5%. So 5% of 100. That is what will be rewarding to me on each trade. So the more I do it, the more I accumulate more points. And I'm sure people who are trading from here will earn a better money. So let's go to the swap session. And then here is very simple. You are not here to do much work. You are here just to swap your BNB to USDT, USDT to BNB. So currently, let's say I have BNB here. I have $6 worth of BNB. I can actually swap USDT. Let's see how much. I think I have about $100 left here. Oh, $74. No, $100. So if I swap it down here, any amount is still 5% they're going to give me. So let's say I want to swap this. I'll click on approve USDT. I'm swapping USDT to BNB and confirm. Allow it to complete, and then go back home. So let's check. Refresh it. Go up again. Check. It didn't go, maybe because of network, but just swap here. Maybe you can be doing this if you have 500, 1,000 or $10,000. Keep doing it every day, like 5 to 10 times in a day. You accumulate more points. Look at it here again. Trade Zetarium swap, right? Earn 5% from your swap volume as points. So 5%. I've not done them before. That's why I've not seen any point here. And the last one here is prediction market. How many minutes? 10 minutes already. I'm trying to be fast. So the prediction market is very big and is very broad. So I'm just going to show you the ones I do to accumulate it. So the first thing you need to do when you come here is to come to faucet. And then you claim your daily 10,000 USDT to go and play on that play. This one is free. And also claim your Z here. So if I click claim here, and then you confirm as usual. Same wallet, don't forget it's still the same wallet that I connected. So the next 23 hours, 59 minutes.